Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we share our best audiobooks we have ever read. So if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and this will help us a lot and give us some motivation to do more. So see you in a bit. Enjoy the audiobook. Stay hungry and stay foolish. About the author. Rashmi Bansal is a writer, entrepreneur and youth expert. Rashmi is co-founder and editor of Jam, that is just another magazine, India's leading youth magazine in print and online. She writes extensively on youth career and entrepreneurship and hosts the popular blog Youth Curry. Rashmi is consulting editor for Cracking Careers, the careers shows on business news channel UTVI. She mentors students and young entrepreneurs in colleges across India. An economics graduate from Sophia College, Mumbai, and an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. She lives in Mumbai and can be reached at rashmi@jammag.com. Author's note. Of all the questions we leave unanswered, the one that comes back to haunt us the most is what if? What if I'd marry my college sweetheart? What if I had the good sense not to? What if I had been born in this job market? What if? What if I'd plan a little less? What if I'd live a little more? What if I'd chuck it all and started my own company? What ifs are never idle fantasy. These are our hopes, dreams, and desires. Logic and reason are the naphthalene balls we use to pack them away into the sandook called someday. But when that day comes, we are too old, too poor, too tired, or too lazy. This book is for all those people who seize their moment, so they would not wake up one day with regrets. Of course, they saw markets and opportunities and need gaps, but more importantly, they stood in front of the mirror and saw their true selves. That self that told them it was meaningless to sell soaps just because you are paid well to do so. That being a corporate slave was the easy option, but not the one that felt right. That were the something bigger and better to do with their friends. So they did the thing other thought were foolish, and they stayed hungry for that something more. Stay hungry, stay foolish, is that Steve Jobs advised the graduating class of Stanford University in his commencement address to the class of 2005. And that is the motto by which the all entrepreneurs I have met for this book have lived. Each story may different, but at another level they are all the same. The entrepreneur took a leap of faith, then struggled and strived for years, before finally achieving a size and scale which made the effort what we call a success. For every such story, there are several who are still out there, struggling, striving. This book will give them renewed hope and vigor. And for those who look at themselves in the mirror each morning before they head out to sell those soaps, I hope you catch in it a glimpse of your hungry and foolish to self.